Good morning, my name is Vincent. Today I'm in Island. Okay, come here to birding. Actually here is Amverton Cove Club at Pulau Carey, or call it Carey Island. Today is a bit bright. Now it's about 8:30. We are come here to try to catch whatever bird photo or video we could. So I hope today you all will enjoy watching. Okay, we're walking now. Luckily just now meet the management here. I know him because do some video event here before. So he allowed us to go inside to the river side there for us to take some bird photo. So I'm very thankful for him. To pass through the construction, the mountain that side. Actually that side is Jugra. On my previous visit at this riverside, in the morning you will see a very nice scenery. Now here is very hot and also not easy to spot the bird. As you see here, the jungle is bit thick. Not jungle, the mangrove tree. All the leaf here is very close, so very hard to see the bird. You can see due to the sunlight, it's also cannot get a very good quality picture. Here more clear. At the left hand side, the palm tree there got one. Hi, we now stop at the Pantai Kelanang. Actually, here is those abandoned pond. Maybe used to be a fish farm or prawn farm. I'm not sure. So we're having a break here, and it's very hot now, as you can see. We'll try to see if got any bird here also or not. Hello guys, I got something I would like to announce. It's sad to say that after this video I might be unable to post a video every week due to the CMCO. The pandemic is still not subside. Every day we have 600 plus and yesterday was 800 plus. So I'm afraid in the coming week or 2 more weeks we will see how bad is the situation. If it's getting worse, that means it will be under MCO. We are now not allowed to travel out. In the meantime, I unable to go to the Raman place to making video because at his place got 2 blocked by the police. So without a proper permit document, I am unable to go there, and I don't have a good reason. So at the meantime, I unable to do any Raman jungle survival skill. I hope you all would understand. So far, I will not give up. I've been thinking away what other video I can do. Perhaps I can do some shooting birding just in my house garden. See whatever birds I can capture. I hope it will be quite interesting.